one thing you did. And maybe I just believe it.
Sorry, there's no razzle dazzle in the background. I'm still trying to figure out where I want stuff. So let's do my hair. It's probably an echo in here. I do apologize, but ain't in here again. And it got really, really tall serious. So wash my hair. Oh, wait. I gotta get my oil. I said I was gonna go get my oil. Swear to God, this thing, I'm always getting this thing tangled in my hair. I gotta go get my oil. BRB hair. So my hair is washed. I have my mirror here so I can see. So if I'm looking off to the side, that's what I'm doing. But I could also see. Okay. I need to water the grass. All right. So firstly, we're gonna oil my scalp. Water. My hair is already washed. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature. So let's get this done. This is going to be long at all. Like literally, I know what I want done and I just need to do it. So let's do that. This should not take that long. So let's go. Let's go, baby, let's go. Like that. And we're going to split it into two for right now. Okay. We are going to spray the hair. Give it a little bit of dampness. Okay. Not too much. Okay. A little bit of the dampness. Okay. I'm gonna use 3 pumps. Is that too much? Okay, then we're gonna take a handy dandy hair tie, which I found. Okay, we're gonna pull it to the end. Going to split it down the middle. And we're just gonna turn it on itself. Hey. That's it. But we are gonna turn it until we can't turn no more, baby. Until it starts to collapse on itself. Okay? And when it starts to do that, look, it just puckers and retracts. Moving on. Repeat. Hair. Dampness. Okay. Make sure those ends are damp. Okay. If I use 3 pumps on that one, I gotta use 3 pumps on this one. It's like 2 pumps and a half because I'm not going all the way down. So, oops, not me getting it on my shirt. Okay. Coming through. Okay. Hair tie. You can tell these get a little bit short, so 2 on those? Yeah, let's do 3. Split it down the middle. And we are twisting onto itself. 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 Okay, the back is done. Now we're gonna move, not the back, but the back portion. Okay, we're gonna move on to the top portion. Okay, we're gonna put this twisted so I know that it's separate from this over here. Put this over here. All right, get this all.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it costs, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it costs.
Okay guys, this is not the final product, but this is the in-between product. Towards the end, on this side, when I would pull the hair through, I tucked the ends. So it kind of gave it more of a cleaner look, because over here, as you can see before, it was so much hair like sticking out. So I just tucked the ends. So pull it through 3 times, and then the 3rd time, instead of just letting the ends hang, I just tucked them, you know, and did a little ball. Y'all know what I mean. I don't need to explain this. If I do, I'm sorry, but you know what I mean. I took the ends instead of just letting it hang. So here it is. So I will be sitting underneath the hair bonnet dryer later on, not right now because I have to get to work, but I will do it to help that setting spray settle in, and I'll be back for the final results because I'm sitting underneath the dryer so I could wear it tomorrow. So I will be taking it.
Oh, what it costs, put it in the song, alright. Oh, what it costs, put it in the song, alright.
So for the most part, I believe my hair it's not completely dry, but the heating helped speed it along. I sat underneath it for probably 30 to 45 minutes. This is the bonnet dryer that I have. I got it from Amazon. If you're interested, it will be linked in the bio in my Amazon store. It gets the job done or whatsoever. So that's it. I'm going to let it once again continue to air dry, and I will take it down in the morning. Okay, so it is the next morning. I'm officially over this. Is this comfortable to sleep in? You guys always ask me that question and I'll be like, damn, I didn't say that in the video. I'm tender-headed, okay? So I would have to say, depending on your tension and how many times you wrap it through, that it will cause tension, like unnecessary tension on your head, and kind of probably give you a headache. So if you feel that it's taut, like this one right here, this is one of the loose ones. This didn't give me that much, but some of them up here that I went in one extra too much, those hurt. So I'm just gonna work my way through and take them down, and then I'll be back. There's really no, you just take the pieces off the end. All right, so we are all taken down for the most part. Hopefully you guys can see. All taken down. So basically what you're gonna do is, I'll show you one in the back. We're just gonna untwist it like that. That's it. So let's do that for all of them. Oh, ready? So this is the hair. Big and voluminous. Let's turn around. Sorry. Give you a shot from the back. Now, the reason why I didn't do the bottom so taut is because I didn't want to lose all of, you know, my length. So, scalp feels dry, so we're going to oil it up. All right, so here is the final product. My scalp is all oiled up. I feel like it's so dry, it's just gonna eat that up. But like, see, look at that curl. If you wanna get all of that voluminous, see what it looks like from the side. That's what it looks like from the side. Is it giving? Is it giving? Yes. Yes, baby. Yes. Yo. I think I have to back up some so you guys can see. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's shoot some more content, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you do try this style, girl, put it on social media and tag me so I can see. Okay, or you can just shoot me an email if you don't have social media like that. Shoot me an email, show me a picture so I can see. It says, share your love with me. Yes, all right, I'll see you guys in the next one.